Getting a new vehicle can be very exciting. Sometimes stuff happens that can just ruin your day. Uh-oh, what will this cost to fix? Should I call my insurance company? How much is my deductible anyway? The Ding Stinger Asset Protection System is a very powerful tool that puts you in control. Simply and easily create a vehicle condition report. Current vehicle condition reports can add up to 10% to vehicles for resale value. This system can be used to document an accident report. Then you will have the option to have an initial estimate written for your damages by experienced and professional representative. Many of our clients have no idea what their deductible is. Be assured we will not contact your insurance and we will never report to Carfax. Ding Stinger will help you to determine if you should turn in a claim or just pay out of pocket to get your damages repaired. Take the sting out of the dings on your vehicle.